Hi, I'm Mike Taylor. I'm the guy of Dante's Divine. My mom had to make a lot out of a little. So she taught me how to mix spices. She taught me how to cook with almost nothing to make great meals. The most important thing she taught me though was I need to love what I do. I'm using the finishing spice right now, and the finishing spice has 15 different seasonings mixed into it. This is Dante's Divine Virgil salt. What it is, it's a spicy hot salt. For us, mild does not mean bland. Paradise is our mild level, but it's all flavor. For those of you that like flavor but not hot, Purgatory is the level for you. It's a zesty blend of spices and seasonings that bring out the flavors without burning the palate. Flavor is not sacrificed for just pure heat. The abundant flavors and rich textures will still shine through as the heat settles in. Inferno is my personal favorite. It's all natural, there's no MSG, and it's gluten-free. All of our products are like that. So what are we saying?
Cook like you mean it.
Well, good food plus good friends equals good times. Thank you for your support.